Hi everyone, this is our beautiful gold item, part of our metallic gold collection. It's item number A1385. This item is about an inch wide, just about an inch, and it has this beautiful trimming on the bottom of it with these little pebbles kind of going around, so you can play around with that. This is great for pillows if you want to put on the edge of a pillow or on stockings. It's a lot of fun. You can also layer this up like something like that and do a lot with it. For a small trim, it has a lot of uses and it's pretty cheap. Here is the pack of it. If you want to really layer it up, this is what it would look like. You can definitely use this for straps, for parties. You can make a crown out of this if you just starch it a little bit. I think it would look great for babies and children. Enjoy this item. Take some pictures. Let us know what you use this item for and enjoy.